Ako siguro may training, shoutout kila Coach Jed sa Bagay Bigay Triathlon. Mahirap siya pero at the same time, madali. Kasi nagiging madali siya kasi mahal mo yung sport. So, ayun, everyday consistent lang kasi especially as a student, I try to balance training with college. So, it's hard, hindi lang yung sport itself, pero managing it and balancing it with life. And, yun.
Pero sa akin sa training, di na po ako bata, no? Wala na akong ibang hangat, hindi naman na manalo, kundi just encourage everyone. Like yung nga yung sinasabi ko kay Oliver, we have the same heart and passion to encourage others doing multi-sport to join triathlon also. Hindi naman na natin i-encourage, wala naman akong say para encourage si Coach Jet, lahat ng mga coaches, triathlon team, di ba? Magagaling at puro interesado na yan. Siguro maganda, ma-encourage natin yung mga naliligaw pa, yung mga kulang sa exercise, di ba? Yung mga kailangan pang inspire. So yun lang. So I always share to my son na, which I'm doing also since I'm turning 48 na rin, sabi ko lang sa kanya, gawin natin regular yung mahirap hanggang sa maging madali. I think that's the best part eh. Not only in the sport, but in life also. Sobrang daming problema, but I think that's one of my, my key or my tip for everyone na gawin mo lang regular yung mahirap. Sooner or later, magiging madali rin yan. And mukha naman, nangyari sa akin sa triathlon, wala akong datas, wala naman akong coach, but by God's grace and prayer, mukhang okay naman and de-develop naman. So na-enjoy this sport. Thank you.
Siguro ang advice ko is kahit hindi ka seryosong athlete or hindi ka naman seryosong manalo sa isang event, get a coach. Lalo na kung may edad ka na katulad ko, ako I'm turning 52. Anong buwan mo? So, I'm turning 52 and tama yung sinabi ni Berwin, merong mga sumasakit-sakit na, so baka mamaya sumasabay ka doon sa mga age group na hindi na kaya ng katawan mo. So, a coach will really help you manage your expectations, hanggang saan lang yung dapat mong gawin muna. Tapos, yes, I encourage everyone to try entering into a sport, kahit hindi yung swim, bike, and run, kahit swim lang, bike lang, or run lang. Kasi malaki yung maidudulot nito sa iyong personal life. Hindi lang sa katawan mo, pero your mental health as well. Siguro tinatanong mga tao, paano ko ba nasisingit sa dami ng ginagawa ko sa buhay? Pero kailangan ko siyang isingit to keep me sane and to make me happy kasi ang exercise gives you natural endorphins, happy hormones. Kapag malungkot ka, tumakbo ka, magbisikleta ka, ewan ko, sasaya ka. Hindi ba, Coach? Nakakasaya? Hindi mo, ikaw ang saya-saya mo pag tumatakbo.
Yes, totoo lang, masasarap talagang matulog lang. Alam mo, ako kasi talaga, even as a coach, I don't know how you guys do it. I see you guys train so hard, like wake up at 4 a.m. I can't do that. That's not me. So maybe as a coach, I think I could connect to some other people in that level. Kasi hindi naman lahat tayo athlete, wow, wake up at 6 a.m. Eat this, eat that. No, hindi ako ganun, promise. I'm just here to have fun, right? So that's why I really love the MDC Try. Kasi we're just here to have fun. And for my tip, is tama si Ma'am Cara, is get a coach. Kasi not everyone is the same. Not everybody, not even the schedules, the responsibilities, even genetics. Okay, the amount of how you recover, how fast you recover, diba? Iba-iba siya eh. So with that in mind, if you have a coach, hindi ka nagigising sa isang araw, and then you're like, what am I gonna do today? What am I doing wrong? Diba? Bakit sumasakit yung tuhod ko? May ginawa ba akong mali? The coach will actually know what is happening to you, and you have the guidance now. Okay? You keep the guessing of the game. It's easier. Wake up, look at your training peaks or your assignment, and then you know what to do. Right? And you have somebody on call if you have any questions, right, Francis? Kailangan ng coach. And with that, you have to train as much as you can. With the schedule, other people, I have athletes that are mothers. They have 3 kids. They're really tight with the schedule. So having a coach, knowing, coach, I only have 30 minutes for this day. What can I do? And they'll put the schedule right there. So yes, get a coach.
It's a very good question. So, going back to this sharing that we have with our Japanese partners, there's no actually overdosing collagen. So, we've been supporting a lot of athletes, not just triathletes. So, most of them, they take my daily collagen before and after training. And I would like to also to share that we are also a partner of Bilibili Pilipinas. We are the official collagen. So, the candidates are taking my daily collagen pick-up tablets like 5, 6 tablets a day. Ganun sila gana sa product natin. And because of its high quality ingredient, it's very effective. So, talking about overdose or best time to take, there's no overdose. And then best time to take, basically if you're not doing any high activity or hindi ka na masyadong active, you can take it before bedtime or before you start your training. And most recommended is after training for recovery. So collagen kasi it's not just for the skin, it's also for the joints as your supplement and muscle recovery. So actually naturally we have collagen in our body. So what we do is to supplement it by taking my daily collagen. And the main ingredient of my daily collagen kasi is the highest form. We call it the marine collagen peptide. So if you do your research, marami kasing source ng collagen. But again, since it's made in Japan, formulated in Japan, no questions asked in terms of quality and productivity. So kitang-kita nyo naman, no? Mga athletes natin. So malakas na, very active pa. Of course, gugwapo po na ganda. Not just during triathlon. We recommend taking my daily collagen supplement during training. So, for example, if you do your HIIT training, so normal, this is very normal to triathletes kasi ang run namin usually mag-start na yan mga around 9 or 10 a.m. Kung long distance yan, mga noon time. So you have to at least acclimatize or familiarize yourself in terms of heat and the temperature. So ang ginagawa natin, we try to simulate, di ba? So that's how we manage ourselves. So having said that, masyado tayo nakabilad sa araw. So masyadong nagkaroon tayo, there's a sunburn issues in terms of skin natin. And we have a lot of athletes who did participate in international races na nagtitrain talaga sila ng 1 p.m., 2 p.m. And my daily collagen really help them to make their skin stay hydrated and mas madaling mag-recover kung mayroon tayong mga burning issues because collagen has has a healing ingredient or healing properties siya. So it's a good talaga supplement. Like fasted lip, nag-dry lips mo or yung skin mo, hindi ka magda-dry. So it's a overall supplement talaga.